Well, good afternoon, everyone. I am just south of Morgantown, about 5 miles, and here's our severe thunderstorm moving in. And I will see if I can zoom in there a little bit. Nice rain shaft. Well, lots of wind and probably a little bit of hail in there. Looks like a nice little gust front trying to form there. Seen some pretty good lightning strikes. Let me pan back a little bit. My keys on my camera don't work the greatest. Time for a new camera. This is my cell phone camera, by the way. And it's looking toward Preston County. Alright, well, one more look here. See if I can get a nice zoom in. Oh, goodness, camera. Well, you can do it. Come on, Mr. Camera, you can do it. Jesus. So it looks like it'll be here pretty soon. So, looks like more storms later this afternoon. Stay tuned to media outlets. If I see anything interesting, I will post it. Be safe, everybody. Be careful if you're heading out today.